Hello world! Welcome back to the Intro to Python series. In this video, we will be covering comments in Python 3. Comments are non-executable annotations in the source code of a script or program. In other words, comments are lines or regions within the code that are not executed or skipped when the script is executed. They are often used for note-taking, writing pseudocode, isolating parts of a program to test specific blocks of code, or for headers and sectioning. For the most part, commented lines do not interfere with program execution. In Linux, however, scripts should have a commented header at the top of the file that indicates the path to where the Python 3 executable is located on the system. Take a look at the top of the IDE. This is an example of what the header for a Python 3 script written in a Linux operating system would look like. This is consistent among most native Linux scripting languages, such as Bash and Ruby. The header of the file must point to the location of the interpreter that corresponds to the language that the script is written in. Since we are using Windows in this instance, we do not need the header at the top of the file. So we'll go ahead and remove that. As you saw with the header, a commented line is prefixed by a pound symbol. Comments can be written anywhere, including in line with an actual programming statement. Let's print hello world to the screen, but in addition, let's add a comment before, in line with, and after the print statement. Now let's run the script. Notice that only hello world is outputted. The comments had no bearing on the actual script's performance. We can now make single line comments. But what if we wanted to comment multiple lines? Let's discuss block comments. Block comments are comments with multiple lines of annotations. In Python 3, they are prefixed with 3 single quotes and suffixed by another 3 single quotes. Let's go back to our script and add a few more random print statements. When we run the script, we see that our print statements are executed as displayed by the output. Now let's use a block comment to comment out our new print statements we just wrote and rerun the script. When we run the script again, we see that only our hello world print statement executed since we commented out all of our new print statements. And that's it for today's video. Please like and subscribe to view more content like this. There will be multiple categories concerning technology that we will be covering in this channel. So stay tuned for more videos and please provide any feedback, good or bad, we don't discriminate, in the comment section down below.